Asexual reproduction. Types. Budding. This is one of the methods of asexual reproduction in most primitive animals like Hydra. In this form, an offspring develops as a bud from the parent body and grows and finally detaches from the parent to develop as a new individual. Binary fission. This is yet another mode of asexual reproduction found in unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, etc. The division starts with the division of nucleus of a parent cell or organism followed by the division of its cytoplasm. The end result will be the formation of two daughter cells or organisms. Apart from these major types, animals undergo a few other modes of asexual reproduction like regeneration, multiple fission, etc.